Hi guys, this is version 2. The difference here is I've sealed the end of the tube, I've clamped it, so that's now a closed circuit, but it's still not measuring consistently. I will show you the videos that I've done, the tracking, but you can see here that 30.46 is out of sequence with that 30.5 and 30.6. Either they should be lower down or that should be higher up. So something is something's not right. It's not consistent. So interesting to look at, but I'm going to abandon this. I'll still show you the little video clips I took tracking it, but it's not very accurate. An interesting experiment, but I would call it a fail. I've emptied the water out. I'm going to try and refill it. I'm going to pump the balloon up a bit this time. Right, now we have a sealed unit. I'll put a bit of paper over there where I'd drawn the previous readings. I've set it up again in the same position. At the moment, I don't know if the camera's focused, but I reckon that is 30.74 at the moment. So I've aligned the gold hand up there so we know where we were. 30.74, and I've marked it on there, so we'll see. And we've used blue colouring this time, and we've got the end of the pipe sealed. Okay, another day, another measurement. At the moment, temperature's dropped back to 30.6. It's just to the right of the 30.6. I'll call it 30.6. I can't be that accurate anyway. Well, if anything, it's 0.5. Well, good morning guys. What have we got this morning? I don't know if that's in focus. That's about 30.46, I would say. 30.46. There. Well, at least it's heading in the right direction. Certainly discoloured. That's the red from the previous water. Because I changed the colour if you didn't watch the previous video. Changed the colour and fitted a cap on the end of the tube, so it's a sealed tube this time. 30.5 on the line. But that's not right, is it? That's going down nicely that way, but that one doesn't match. That's 30.46, that should be higher up. So we haven't got full accuracy here, have we? There's so many other variables. There will be air leaking out of the balloons. I think for the general idea we are getting movement, but I don't think we can use this as an accurate measure.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.